Alright, boys and girls, today we are at LVRY CO. We gotta go shoot some more pics. So let's go inside and check it out.
Good, and he won the race. So he's just driving at such a high level. With Max, we feel like he gets out in front, especially when Charles there as a partner. It's going to be his. He's still just cracking on what we're going to go. Time we get left to go. It's simple math. It's only 40 points back. He's not only in this. You're almost making a favorite at this point, but everything's been going for the last 4 weekends. 133 possible points.
It's already done.
Russell up there disrupting a fair few things as well, but Max Verstappen scoring those points 111 since that summer break. It's just ridiculous stuff.
For Monza, let's say, where they start on Friday and picking up.
Does Jerry's car live here most of the time? Just
he dropped it off just had it display for a little while.
Nice.
So we had Tommy's car here, and then Tommy just picked up his car this last Tuesday. One of his crew guys did for this last round that happened this weekend. And then I had Jerry's car, so I just swapped them out.
Sick, very cool.
Yeah.
That's just fun to see that up close.
It looks so good.
Right? It does.
Approach change, so a little bit more engineering focus, a little bit more driver input focus, which I think is so important. But Jamie, I don't know if they got the best car. And I know I race is so bad, I think they're the best car. If you look at the spring qualifying for 700 between Lando and Max, Lando went about 60 seconds before Max was rounding up on Friday on his difference. I think Lando could have answered the call. Max ain't on the start, but apparently wiped out. But I think if you look at where Max's pace on the sprint race was compared to Russell, quite close.
Oh, that's sick. That's pretty dope.
And it's worth noting as well that actually the Constructors' Championship, McLaren got out winners in that one. That's for a team Formula One. And equally, he's early onto that sort of time.
Sick.
Around that 30, earlier than that. And we saw it outside in Belgium and Lawrence first race. We'll get into all of it, we'll have the feature you can see as well. Let's go look at the race fight.
That's dope. Hey, look, Grom gang. Dude, this is freaking sick. I'm supposed to be racing with Flat Out. The race starts at 3. It was 15 minutes, and there's 30 minutes in between, so I have to like 3:45 to get over to the next one. So, gotta hurry and blast some pics real quick. What's up, Bri? I went back over to LVRY CO to shoot some pictures for a minute. Okay, see you guys in a bit. Bye. No kart. You said 18? 36:10, 22:13. Guess I'll go ask real quick. Guess 18? Oh, here we go. I don't know how to start my car. I am too tiny for this car. This is tiny. Tiny, tiny, tiny. So tiny. Pull and adjust.
3, 2, 1.
I hope that's it. Woo! Cody. Oh, stuck. Chatty Lee. Sorry. Boys and girls, we're back at LVRY CO in the riot garage. There's way more cars in here than there was on Sunday. Like full. I didn't have this recorded, but thanks to David for walking around and talking about some of the cars for a few minutes. That was really cool. Just gave some nice background of a few of the cars and like how LVRY CO, like what they are, what they do out here. And that was just really neat. So thanks, David, for that. There's a fly in here. That'd be out of sick too. I think it's super cool. That thing's freaking sick. Guys, the race fuel, the race fuel smells amazing. It's bringing me back to the Ken Block Museum, the Kazi V2 that smelled like race fuel. Guys, the Cosworth V2 smells like race fuel. It's awesome. Dude, you can smell the race fuel. Last time when I walked past the Kazi V2, it smelled like race fuel. It still smells like race fuel. I love it. I think it's the smell of cocaine. These seats look awfully familiar. Anyone? I'll give you a hint, the warehouse. It's the car in the warehouse. A red car at the warehouse. Got the F5 on a tripod. Just trying to get some detailed shots of the Hoonigan seats inside Leah's Audi, so. I'm gonna borrow this step stool. Alright, boys and girls, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. I think it's the smell of cocaine.